बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम डिक्टेशन करने वाले हैं मुल्तानी जनरल पैसेज नंबर 3। सो गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। The chairman said, "Ladies and gentlemen, it was with some great and with a good deal of surprise that your directors received letters from a number of shareholders who are opposed to the proposed issue of bonus shares on the ground that it would greatly detracted from the value of the existing shares. Full stop. Now I can most definitely assert that this opinion is erroneous. Full stop. I propose, therefore, with your permission, to endeavor to put clearly before you the views held by your directors on these questions, and I hope to be able to convince you that your directors are quite right in the view that they have taken to this matter. Full stop. In the first place, I may mention that during the past 5 years we have, as you are aware, accumulated reserve funds to the extent of more than 85,000 pound, and these reserves represent profits which have been made in the past but which, instead of being distributed in the form of dividends, have been allowed to remain in the business in order to provide us with additional working capital. Full stop. Our net assets have been increased by this amount. Full stop. We have, in fact, financed our operations out of revenue, instead of inviting the shareholders to provide fresh capital. Full stop.